good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to save data on phone calls for WhatsApp on the Samsung S22 Ultra. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So WhatsApp is a great app that allows you to stay connected quickly with friends and your network. But sometimes WhatsApp can be quite data consuming if you're using the phone on the go. So thankfully WhatsApp has a few built-in features that allows you to save some data when making phone calls. To access this and make sure it's enabled, what you want to do is head over to your settings. So you want to hit the three dots button here at the top right in WhatsApp, and you want to hit settings. From there, you want to go into storage and data, and this is right under notifications and right above help. And then from there's an option right under network usage that allows you to use less data for calls. If you enable this, WhatsApp will use less data for calls, and you'll be able to save some data. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to save data on calls when using WhatsApp for the Samsung S22 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.